Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Media Masina Fasha. So this is our mobile app solution, which is StudPick. So we are my team, who is Iman, Azim, and Bawas, will present you our app that compares product between Shopee and TikTok Shop in real time.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abdul Aziz Bairubasi. My matric number is 2025229542. Today, students shop across platforms like Shopee and TikTok Shop, but comparing prices means constantly switching apps, wasting time, and often leading to overpaying. This happened because of four problems. The first one is information asymmetry, where seller know prices student don't. Limited budget, where every overspend cut into essential like food or rent. FOMO driver impulse buying. FOMO means fear of missing out. Fueled by flash sale and countdown times and cross-platform inefficiency from constantly switching apps to competitors. These four problems show a clear gap. That's what StudPick is built to solve. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Moving on, this slide sum up our aim and objective. Our one aim is to design a user-friendly mobile app prototype, StudPick, that helps students identify the best deal efficiently across platforms like Shopee and TikTok Shop. To achieve this, we broke it down into four objectives. First objective is analyze behavior, understanding how students actually compare product and prices across platform. Second objective is design the interface, creating an intuitive UI that simplify product comparison. Third, development the prototype, building StudPick with comparing and deal identification features. And four, evaluate usability, testing with real user and refining the design based on their feedback. So one clear aim broken into four objectives that guide the whole project. Now let's look at the StudPick is for and what it actually does. Our target user is university students who shop online frequently and need an efficient way to compare product within a limited budget. Across category like gadget, study material, clothing, and daily essential. As you can see, this is a preview of the StudPick interface. Student can track how many platforms they have compared, how much money they have saved, and view active alert. Right from the home screen, they can also browse by category like gadget or study and see the best deal of the day, complete with prices and discount percentage from platform like Shopee and TikTok Shop. That said, it's important to be transparent about our limitation. Currently, StudPick does not support real-time platform integration. This is something we would like to address in future development.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fawaz Imran bin Faizal Azham. Student ID is 2025 430 486. Moving on to HT diagram, searches cross-platform products. This HTA breaks down how students searches for a product across Shopee and TikTok Shop. The top level goal is to achieve through for sequential subtasks, opening the app, entering a search query, viewing the search results, and selecting a product listing. The entire search query step is further decomposed because it isn't a single action. The user can choose a category, type a keyword, apply filters like brand or type, or use the barcode scanner. This shows the flexibility StudPick offers for narrowing down a search. Next, compares aggregate prices and fees. This covers how a user compares prices once they found a product. After choosing a platform and opening the listing, the core of this task is viewing the platform's price list, which is broken down further into checking the item price, shipping fee, and platform fees. Before the app calculates the total cost, this decomposition highlights StudPick's key value proposition, aggregating hidden fees that the student would normally have to check manually across each platform. The task ends with reviewing the total cost breakdown and selecting the best value option. And then we proceed to sets automated price alert. The final task shows how user setups an automated alert. It starts with navigating to the product page, then configuring alert settings, which involves three choices: setting a price threshold, choosing the notification type, and selecting which platform to track. Once activated, the user receives a notification when the price drops, and can then view item details, which branches into two final actions: confirming the buy or proceeding directly to payment. This task demonstrated the automation feature that reduces the need for user to manually monitor prices.
My name is Muhammad Iman Ifran and my student ID is 2025230124. And this is my storyboard, which is low fidelity prototype. As you can see in the storyboard, first student need to log in and securely using their student ID. Next, they search for an item, like for example, headphones. And then it will generate a side-by-side price comparison between Shopee and TikTok Shop. If the current price of 300 is still too high, the user can easily set a price drop alert for their budget, for example, 200. When the price drop to 200, the app will send a notification so they can secure it immediately. And then side-by-side table is to reduce cognitive load. And then recognition over recall is by highlighting the best deal as green color. And then you use orange for Shopee and blue for TikTok, so you can familiar with the mental model. Transition to the low fidelity prototype to the mid fidelity prototype. So here you can see our first thing first when you open our app, which is sign in button and create account button. So for the first user, you need to create account. You need to fill in your full name, your student ID, your university email, and choose your university and create your password. So if you already have create your account, you go to the sign in option and you need to enter your student ID that you already have filled in and your password. If you forgot the password, you just push the forgot password and it will ask you to enter your university email to send reset link. And after that, you need to sign in. And then you enter your password and sign in. So this is our homepage. It consists of the notification alert and search button for user to easily push the button from the home screen. And there is a short detail about what is your history of your purchase and your username. And here is a short categories that you can choose if you want to buy an item from the home screen. And then we go to the comparison section. So first thing first, at the top you can see there is a search products sections. You can search here or you can use the barcode scanner to scan the thing that you want. And you have filter by platform. So you choose Shopee or TikTok that you want to choose the item from, and you can choose the categories here. So you want to wear earbuds. So if you search, you choose just search your item and it will show you the earbuds that the app has compared. So at the top you can see the best deal on TikTok shop, which highlighted in blue color because it is from TikTok, and 52 ringgit in green color because it is the the cheapest one that the TikTok offer. And if you want to buy it from the Shopee, it will highlight it with the green color and with the orange color. And if you want to buy it from the TikTok shop, it will highlight it with the blue color. So at the at the TikTok shop, the box have best deal because the the earbud is more cheaper at the TikTok shop. So it will show you the best deal at the top of the box. And if you want to buy the item, just click the item at the TikTok shop and you will highlight the blue color and just push the buy now button. And for the payment method, you have three payment method that you can choose. For the card, you just push the information below. And if you want to use banking, online banking, you just push the maybe button and it will show you the notification alert about confirmation alert. Just push confirmation pay. And after 2 seconds, it will show, it will go to the home page again. And if you want to buy it from the e-wallet, you just push the e-wallet button and choose charge my e-wallet, confirmation payment, and then confirm pay. And then we go to the alert button. So if you want to buy the earbuds, but you want to wait for the item to become cheaper, you set the alert button to become 300. If your target is 300, just put 300 and choose notification type. So I will choose both, so it will show notification in app and also email. So the platform that I want to buy is from where? So I choose TikTok and Shopee, so both are highlighted. So if I want to buy from one TikTok, so I highlighted one of the TikTok. So activated alert, so alert save to inbox. And when you go to the alert section, you can see that there is one item that I alert. And if I want to delete it, just push the delete button at the right corner, and it will show the alerts, delete alert, so you don't accidentally delete. So just push delete. So if I want to buy it from the price drop alert, just push the price and now, so it will go to the payment section instantly. And if you want to edit your profile, so you just push the edit and change the display name to anything that you want. Change photo, also can. So and then you have option to replace your password and confirmation of your password and also change your email. And then the alert set are also given and the search are also given for your history of usage of our apps. So I think that's all.
Before we start, my name is Muhammad Ismail Shukran and my student ID is 2025216408. So we move to the next part, which is evaluation, about how we test our app usability. So we have two. The first one, cognitive walkthrough and heuristic evaluation survey. For the first one, 8 core task scenarios is analyzed step by step for ease of learning and task completion, from per account until the view of the item. Each task was checked against 5 usability questions. For example, will the user notice the correct action is available? For the next test, which is heuristic evaluation survey. So overall, we have 18 respondents using Google Form and based on 10 dozen heuristic principle. We have 5 rate from strongly disagree to strongly agree, covering everything from system visibility to help and documentation. We move to the next part, which is result, where we get the survey from the user based on Google Form. So this first graph is shown by 8 principal who responding who agree on strongly agree by heuristic for the first 8 principal. So based on this graph, no heuristic receive a single disagree or strongly disagree rating from the 18 responding for the first 8 principal. We stay on the same page, which is result, but this one is two areas that need attention. The first one is error prevention, and the second one is help and documentation. The first one, error prevention, if you can see the graph, mostly users agree that app currently allows irreversible actions, but there are few who choose neutrals. So we cannot ignore the neutral ones. So based on the result, we can see that only the delete alert has the confirmation dialog, but the rest of the function in the app has no confirmation dialog. But next one is help and documentation. If you can see the graph, the suspension help available is only 70%. User agree with our app, but the rest is disagree with our app. So, Stupid is intuitive enough to use without instruction, but offers no FAQ, tooltip, or support channel when user gets stuck. There is currently no in-app help system at all. We move to the next part, which is recommendation. We have 4 recommendations that my team should improvise for our app. For the first one is extend confirmation dialogues. Apply the existing delete alert pattern to other irreversible actions like remove comparison, clearing filters, and existing checkout. The second one is add an undo option. A short-lived undo source after deletions give users a safety net without adding frictions. The second one is build a help system, a simple FAQ page plus contextual tooltip for the first-time users on key screens. And the last one is add a feedback channel, a lightweight contact form or emailing for issues that FAQ doesn't resolve. So, overall, based on this recommendation, we reduce the user satisfaction on our app. We move to the last part, which is conclusion. Supik has successfully validated that a centralized student-focused price comparison app which meaningfully reduces the cognitive load of cross-platform shopping. And the usability testing gives clear low effort direction for turning the current prototype into a more resilient and user supported product. So overall, my team has already achieved our objective for this application.